Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the in-game language on the Deep Rock Galactic game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Deep Rock Galactic on your device and you will immediately be taken into the tutorials if you're playing for the first time. Now, if you wish to change the in-game language, just go ahead and press the escape button and now go into options, which is the third menu at the top. As soon as you click on this, you will see several options appear. Now, underneath the bright heading is the language option at the very beginning. You can cycle through the various languages by clicking on the left or right arrows. This will immediately apply your change, so you can see it in real time. Once you are done choosing your language, you can simply press the escape button to go back into your game, and you can continue to play with your chosen language right away. And if you wish to change this in the future, you can once again follow the same steps and choose your desired language. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the in-game language on the Deep Rock Galactic game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.